Hi, welcome to this video. I'm going to guide you through how to add and customize lower thirds in CapCut. Adding and customizing lower thirds in CapCut is done by navigating to text here, inside your project, and find text template below right. Or you can just swipe left and see it here. Press text template and select a style, such as news or title, and applying it to your timeline. So let's say this one. Death. Activation errors can. Okay. You can customize by editing the text. Add something else. Changing font, colors. Right. You can see right here below. Templates, fonts, styles, effects, etc. Maybe you want a different animation. Then you could go ahead and add an animation on a loop or in and out, like from the beginning till the end, etc. And you can also adjust position, right? And place it somewhere here below left. And you can also adjust the duration. You can extend it, or you can cut it short by minimizing, right? So now I'm going to play the text, or I'm going to play the animation, or play the video so you can see the animation. Activation can lock. So consider liking this video, subscribing. It really helps with the channel. Until next time, see ya.